Hi everybody, it's Martyn at Flicking Feathers again today, and I'm tying a Griffith Gnat. I tie it a wee bit differently from the sort of standard pattern. The improvements make it a bit more durable basically, otherwise it's the same. As always, I'll put a materials list in the description along with a link to my Patreon page or the PayPal for anybody who would like to support the channel and be eligible for the giveaways. So I'll get my hook and my vise. This is a dohiku, it's a 303 size 18. So it's a short shank hook, so the shank's equivalent to a 20, gape's equivalent to an 18. It's a new hook that I'm using. I quite like it. For these, I would usually tie them on like a full of mill short shank special or a Camazin B160, or another hook I like is a TMCO 103BL, but it's your choice. This is quite nice. So I'm going to start my thread, just 8/0 uni, and I'm going to leave the tag end really long, like 5 inches long. Off the back, I'll come to just where the barb would be if it was a barbed hook. And then I'll take my hackle. This is already sized. This is just from a whiting neck. It's a bronze grizzly neck. I don't tie enough trout flies to have like use a saddle. We used a couple of sizes. It's hard to justify, but actually, I mean, this is the this is the 5th Griffith Gnat I've had off of this one feather. So I mean, they're as good as saddles nearly now, the dry fly necks, from that point of view. Plus you get a wider range of sizes. So it's tied in. I'm going to grab my body, which is peacock herl. Just to break off the tips so they're even. And then catch it in at the front, draw it back, and then wind back over it until the rear tie-in point. Right, my thread's now hanging again in line with where the barb would be. Now, this point I take the peacock herl and my thread on my bobbin and I twirl them together. I just wrap them together so that the thread protects and reinforces the peacock herl before I wind. Come all the way up to the head, just wind it forward. I get to the front, I can let the peacock come loose. Tie it off, I'll fold it back using the 8/0 threads. Fine, 2-3 turns at the most each way. You don't get too much bulk. And if anything's going forward, I'm just going to sweep it back and tidy it up. And then I'm basically going to repeat what I did with the peacock herl, with the hackle and the tag end of the thread. Right. Get it well twisted, and then just start to wind the hackle forward. And each turn I'm just putting the twist back in with my fingers, every wrap, just to make sure that the hackle's well protected. Right, the thread, that wax thread is very strong. It really does help to reinforce the hackle stem. I mean, I don't like using Semperfly like that nano silk or the really fine Dyneema GSP threads. I prefer just the standard like Uni or UTC. But if you did use those for this, you would have a much stronger fly. So I've come right up to the eye, cross my thread, I'm going to fold it back, take a turn or two, then I'll just encourage that to separate. holding my thread tight on my bobbin, just snap away the hackle, get you a nice clean snip, and then just make sure there's nothing going forward and just tidy up the head. Come in and whip finish. Three's plenty on a fly this size, especially with the wax thread. Tighten up. Come in, snip it away. That tag end of the thread from the rib, just snip that away. There you go. Griffith's Gnat. Very, very effective fly. Really good. Whether you fish rivers or still waters, you need these in your box. You know, they're good for midges, gnats, any wee black thing. Just a wee bit of varnish. And we're done. So I hope that was useful. I hope you enjoyed it. If you did, please remember to give me a thumbs up below and subscribe to the channel. Tight lines, guys. Bye.